Guys, welcome back to Build It Then Ride It 6. Yesterday I posted a video where I tried to make a teeter-totter and it completely broke, which was kind of annoying. But today I'm going to try to rebuild it with better wood and better log and everything. And yeah, I'm sure this time it'll work. So yeah. Also, if you haven't checked out the other one, then maybe you should check out that one first. But yeah, let's show you what it looks like right now, which we haven't really done anything to it. But yeah, let's get started as soon as possible. We got better wood and a bigger log so that now we can do it. I'm just gonna do the same thing as last time. If you don't know what we did, we just put screws in here so it could pivot on that and fall down. And yeah, let's put some screws in it and send it. I'm so happy right now because yesterday I completely failed, but I finally got it working. My brother, look, if you walk over it, it does exactly what it's supposed to do. And it doesn't wobble
side to side, really.
Or it doesn't wobble to side. It's sturdy. It does exactly everything it's supposed to do.
Wait.
I don't know, you want to customize it?
Put nails up. Put nails sticking up. Then you get a pinch flat. It's like a jump.
But yeah, we could maybe customize it a little bit, write some stuff on it, and yeah, then we'll ride it. Guys, so I'm probably just gonna write my YouTube channel or something. Here, wait. I'll go wait. There we go. Okay. Okay, we've been practicing this for a while, so 3, 2, 1. We built it, we customized it. Now it's time to ride it. So let's get all geared up with our helmets and stuff. And maybe even I'll get Weston to try it. Thanks for watching our 6 Build It Then Ride It. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video, please like it. And if you enjoyed all my videos, please subscribe. See you guys in the next one.